Hello maths and students, how are you all? Okay, so here I'm with the third question from the same practice set, that is practice set 3, which is given on page number 72. In our previous video we saw question number 2 with the solution, am I right? Okay, so see the third question. In the following table, number of the trees planted in the year 2016 and 2017 in 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. First understand the question. Here the number of the trees planted is given in the year, that is 2016 and 17, in the 4 towns. So this information gives in the form of this column, and this is known as data. So by using this information we have to prepare a subdivided bar diagram. See, the name of the towns, that is Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur and Khandala, and the years 2016 and 17. In Karjat, in 2016, 150 trees were planted, or in 2017, 200 trees were planted. In Vadgaon, 250 in 2016 and 300 trees in 2017. In Shivapur, 200 trees were planted in 2016 and 250 in 2017. Here 100 and 150 trees were planted in 2016 and 17. So first of all we have to add this two. There is 0, 5 and this 3. 0, 5 and this 5. 0, 5, 4. 0, 5, 2. 350, 550, 450, 250. So first you have to write this equation on the left handed side page, which has lines on it. You have to write this equation. While making data you have to write the total, and write this total in this column. Make one more column in your equation. Okay, so that was a question. See the solution that you have to solve on the right handed side page, that has a bar graph page. Okay, that has a graph page. See the solution. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. The y-axis is exactly perpendicular on the x-axis, that is x-axis that you have to write, and this will be your y-axis. You can write over here as well, y-axis. So number of the town, name of the town and number of the years are given. Number of the town that you have to write on an x-axis with a convenient distance, am I right? So suppose I'm writing town, that is Karjat. I'm writing Karjat over here, Karjat. Okay, with the convenient distance I'm writing Vadgaon at the next position. Then with the same distance I'm writing the next name of the town, that is Shivapur, and with the same distance I'm writing the last town, that is Khandala. Khandala, that is Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur, Khandala. These are with the convenient distance to plot a bar graph or subdivided bar graph. Get it? Okay, then on the y-axis we have to write the years. Years, it means the number of the trees planted in the years, that you have to write number of trees planted. Number of trees planted. You don't have to write the year. You can write 2016-17, but these 2 years for what? Number of the trees planted in 2016 and 2017. Like this you have to write on the y-axis. Now what about the scale? With the scale, that you have to write in the right handed side corner of your graph paper. Am I right? So what about the scale? How you have to choose a scale? Okay, so first see the addition of this number of the trees, that is 350, 550, 450 and 250. So first see the total. According to this we have to choose a scale. We can choose a scale. It means 1 centimeter is equal to 50. So we have to take 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, like this. We can take like this as well. If we will choose 1 centimeter is equal to 100 number of the trees, so we don't have to make a longer bars. We don't have to make a longer bars, है ना? So it's up to you. You can choose the scale of 50. Number of the trees 50 is equal to 1 centimeter, and the number of the trees 100, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 trees. So here I'm taking chalo 50, I'm taking 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, and this is 500. Yeah, this is cross 500. No, so 550, 600, 650, 650. I took the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 number of trees, 2 centimeter is equal to 100 number of trees, 3 centimeter is equal to 150 number of trees. So this is the scale that you have to write in the right handed side corner of your graph paper, that you have to write scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 number of trees. 50 number of trees. Now the trees are divided into 2016 and 2017. So you have to write 2016 number of trees, 2017 number of trees. That we have to show the difference between these 2 years and the difference between the number of trees planted in this both year. Okay. Now start to plot the bars. In Kurjat, 150 in 2016 and 200 in 2017. Okay, and the total is 350. First, we have to plot a bar that should be reached to the 350 limits. Where is 350? See, 100, 200, 250, 300 and 350. This is 350. So, this will be your bar. I'm not making bar with the help of ruler because in my next hand I'm holding my phone. So this is the level of 350. Okay, from this 350, 150, these are the trees planted in 2016. Where is the 150? 100, 150. 150 trees are planted in 2016 and the remaining was 200. See, 50, 50, 100 and this 100. And now this is the difference of 50, 50. 50 plus 50, 100, 150 and this 200. This 200 trees were planted in 2017. So I'm just making marking over here. Then after some time, I will plot the bars. Okay, in Vadgaon, 250 trees were planted in 2016. Where is 250? 200 and this is 250. Okay, and the total is 550. Where is 550? Here. This is 550. This is the total of 2016 and 17 trees altogether. This is 250 trees planted in 2016 and the remaining 300. See, 100, 200, 300. 300 trees were planted in 2017. In Shivapur, total is 450. Where is 450? 450. This is 450. And from this, 200 trees were planted in 2016. 200 till here. And remaining, this is 200. And the remaining 250, 100, 200, 250. 250 trees were planted in 2016. In Khandala, the total is 250. First, reach the level of 250. Where is that? Here. This is the 250. You have to make a line with the help of ruler. 250. Then in 2016, 100 trees are there. 100 and the remaining 150. See, 100 and this is 50. 150 trees in 2017. So this is the marking how to draw bar plots. Okay, so it will look like this after plotting with the help of ruler. These are the subdivided bar because in same bar we have divided two information, है ना? the number of the trees planted in 2016 and the number of the trees planted in 2017. So this is subdivided bar graph. Now to show the difference between the trees were planted in 2016 and trees was planted in 2017, that we have to show it by using different shade or by using or putting different icons in this. So in Karjat 150 trees were planted in 2016. So you can share it like this, or you can put any other symbols, like here I'm putting circles, okay, like this. It's up to you. You can share it, you can give plus sign, you can give minus sign, you can give small circle, just to differentiate or to show this is the tree plantation in 2016 and this is tree plantation in 2017. So you can share it in this. Okay, here as well share this part. And put a circle in this line. Okay, so this is the final look how your subdivided bar graph diagram will looks like. Okay, so here we have divided one bar or same bar by using this two information. Here the number of the trees planted in 2016 and 2017 that we showed by using shaded part and by using these small circles. So 2000 trees I have showed you by using small circles. So in this you have to put a small circles like this. And 2017 the number of the trees are showed by shading parts, or I have shaded that. So like this will be a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 number of trees that we took on the y-axis, and this is the differentiate between the number of the trees planted in 2016 and in 17, and those are your bar, subdivided bar. And these are what? The name of towns. Names of town that you have to write. Names of town that we took on x-axis, and the number of the trees planted in both year that we took on a y-axis. Hope you understand this. So this is the solution number 3 from practice set 3. Hope you understand this. Try to solve this in your bar graph work or graph work for this. Thank you.